This is Stefan. On May 2013, 2021, my water heater failed. It had a pinhole leak that spread water about 6 foot. The leak was on the top of the water heater where the supply comes in. That went on for 15 hours. Luckily for me, it's in the garage. Didn't cause any major damage. Could have, as it went all over equipment. With that stated, I had a WAGS valve installed when they were putting the water heater in. This is a gas water heater, so I needed a WAGS 7200 5WG water and gas safety valve. The way it works, the WAGS valve sits in your drip pan. The supply comes into it, out, and into your tank. When your water heater fails, an inch of water in your drip pan triggers off the WAGS valve. At that point, it shuts off the supply, drawing vacuum on your tank, much like your finger on a straw. And in my case, with the pinhole, that would have just shut it down. No mess on my property. The only thing it would have was an inch of water in the drip pan. As stated, this is a gas water heater. So there's a harness that goes from the WAGS valve to your control box. And that also shuts off the gas when the water heater fails. Installation took about 20 minutes when they were putting in the water heater. It cost way less than my deductible. Additionally, I contacted my insurance company. They're giving me a $63 discount for mitigating a failure and a mess that can cause. And then lifespan of this particular water heater, that's hundreds of dollars saved. Additionally, AquaGuard WAGS valve supplies you with a tag that lets you know when the water heater was installed, who installed it, how to get a hold of them. When you send in your warranty card, AquaGuard will give you a 30% discount on the replacement valve. These are one-time use, but then again, so is an airbag. And again, these sit here for years on end, protecting your property. So it's very cost-effective and simple and smart. Prevention better than cure. No stress.